everyone, welcome to Delilah's Day. I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel and check out my website, delilahsday.com. This is my lovely girlfriend and life partner. Today I will be showing you guys how I wash and retwist her locks. This is how her locks look after about a month and a half after the last retwisting. I personally love this look, but her hair could use a little bit of freshening up. Before I get started, I prepare a mixture of fresh aloe vera, tea tree oil, and jojoba oil. To cleanse her hair, we do a apple cider vinegar rinse. In addition to that, we use a natural shampoo. I'll be leaving a link down below for all of these products. We start off by soaking her hair in the apple cider vinegar and baking soda mixture. This helps to remove anything that has been caught inside of her locks. Keep in mind, this is not only for locks. I do this to my curls once a month to remove buildup. Next, we apply the shampoo. I absolutely love the shampoo. It makes her hair smell amazing. I love sleeping next to her after she's washed her hair with it. The smell is so soothing and it's made with all natural ingredients. I highly recommend this for everyone. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below so that you guys can check it out. After we're done washing, it is time to start the retwist. We came outside onto our patio so that we can enjoy the trees and the sun. I use a edge brush to slick and a rat tail comb just to comb it out a bit. I apply the aloe vera, jojoba oil, and tea tree oil mix to the hair, and then I brush it with the edge brush. I then create a small knot just so it doesn't unravel while I'm retwisting. Here we are about halfway done, and keep in mind we are not seeking a perfect look. We are simply refreshing her locks, and this method works for us. Side note, the song that you're hearing in the background is actually a song that she made for me. It was in the very early stages of our relationship, and she surprised me by playing the song for me one night when I went over her house. It was probably the best surprise I've ever received, and it just meant so much to me because she took the time to express her love for me through music, and I will forever be grateful for this song. I'm just going to add some jojoba oil to her scalp just because it's winter time and it's really dry out, and this will prevent any dandruff. After retwisting, she blow dries her hair. Blow drying ensures that the locks don't unravel immediately. She has the sides of her head shaved, so we take a trip to the barber so that she can get a fresh lineup. And this is the final result. This video was taken a day after the retwisting, and she looks super fresh, super fly, super beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Also, keep in mind we will be starting a family channel pretty soon, so be on the lookout for that.